In today's video, I'll show you how to record personal expenses and owner draws in QuickBooks Online the right way. This is important if a business owner uses the company bank account or credit card to pay personal expenses or withdraw money for themselves. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and go to the Transactions or Banking section where your downloaded bank and credit card transactions appear. Here you'll see a list of recent activity from your connected accounts. When you notice a personal expense, you might think about excluding it since it's not related to the business. However, that can create problems later when you reconcile your bank account. Instead of excluding the transaction, you should record it properly. Select the transaction you want to review. Then enter a payee name if needed. This can be the person or business where the money was spent. If the payee is not already listed, you can create a new one. Next, go to the category field and choose an equity account, such as owner's draw or owner's personal expenses. Equity accounts are used to track money taken out by the owner rather than business expenses. If you don't already have an equity account for owner draws, you can create one from the chart of accounts and set the account type to equity. After selecting the correct category, confirm and save the transaction. Recording an owner draw works in a similar way. If the owner transfers money from the business account to their personal account, categorize the transaction under the owner's draw equity account. You can also record an owner payment by creating a check. Select New, then choose Check. Enter the owner's name as the payee and select owner's draw as the category. Enter the amount and save the transaction. When you record personal expenses and owner draws correctly, your bank balance decreases and your equity also decreases. These transactions do not appear on the profit and loss report because they are not business expenses. And that's how you record personal expenses and owner draws in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.